We're dealing with a large volume of people that have all been impacted by some very traumatic events, having to take shelter in their basements, hearing the severity of the storm around them, not knowing what they're walking out to. Torn shingles, roof systems off of the home, exposed to water, now their home is no longer habitable. That can be a very large impact to that individual's life, and sometimes quite tragic. My name is Mark Hasson, and I'm a team leader at Definity on the CAT team. We respond to catastrophic events that occur across the country. And we're here in Nova Scotia responding to Hurricane Fiona, one of the largest and most severe storms that has hit the Atlantic provinces in Canadian history. We're all here to help the clients rebuild their lives to get back to normal, putting their tensions at ease, taking away some of the stress, the financial burden that people are feeling when things around them have been destroyed and they don't know how they're going to pay for it. We're coming out to the locations, we're immersing ourselves. They realize that the help is there, and we're going to do that in a timely fashion so that the things that are important to them can get looked after sooner than later. I love my job. I love getting out and seeing people, to be able to travel. It's not the most glamorous travel that some people may think. You're often staying in hotels in remote locations. The sacrifices that the CAT team makes is unlike any other in the claims industry. We're getting called on very short notice, and they need to be prepared to respond. Drop everything they're doing. Life events. They miss out on birthdays and weddings. They put all of this on hold to come out and respond to our clients' needs at the time that they need it. Getting that thank you or getting an email from a client shortly after you've been out to visit them, it's that sort of outreach from a client that delivers that message that you're making a difference in these people's lives. Definity is very invested in recruiting top talent. Somebody that's going to be ambitious. You're going to want to deliver on that customer service promise, but we want to deliver it above and beyond. We want the above and beyond to be the norm. We want people that are going to want to grow. They're going to want to learn. They're going to want to develop. We are the face of Definity. We are the people of Definity. And we're coming out to meet you, our client, because without you, there is no us.